Welcome to finding areas with the y-axis. So when we find the area with the y-axis, the most important thing is that we need to make x the subject. The integral will be between two y values, and if the area is to the right, it will turn out to be a positive. If the area is to the left of the y-axis, then you'll get a negative and you'll need to change it to positive since we're doing area. So here's our first one. Find the area between the y-axis and the lines y equals x plus 1 and y equals 5. So there's a line y equals x plus 1. It passes through y equals 1. And our line y equals 5 is the top part. So we form a triangle. We have the y equals x plus 1 is our line, and we're going to need to make x the subject. So in making x the subject, I subtract 1 from both sides and I get y minus 1 equals x. So it is y minus 1 that I'm going to integrate between y equals 1 and y equals 5. They were my y values on the y-axis that created the area. So using our integrals, raise your power, divide by a new power, you get a half y squared minus y between 5 and 1. Sub 5 in minus subbing 1 in, and we get 8 units squared. Second example, find the area between the curve y equals x cubed, the y-axis, and the lines y equals minus 1 and y equals 8. So here's what our graph looks like. So we know what a cubic looks like, and we're going to cut it off at y equals minus 1, so that's the blue section down the bottom, and y equals 8. That's the pink section up the top. The pink section is to the right of the y-axis, so it's positive. So from 0 to 8, you'll get a positive answer. But from minus 1 to 0, that's going to be negative because it's on the left of the y-axis. So we're going to have to change it to positive when we're working out our area. So make x a subject. So if y equals x cubed, then x equals the cube root of y, or y to the third. So integrate it first between 0 and 8. Raise your power, divide by a new power. Now remember, that'll be 1 over 4 thirds, which when you reciprocate that becomes 3/4. Substitute 8 in minus a substitution of 0, and if you use your calculator, you get 12. The other area between minus 1 and 0, we follow the same rules. Substitute 0 in minus, substituting minus 1 in, you get minus 3/4. And as we said, you have to make this positive as it is an area. So our total area becomes 12 for the right-hand side plus 3/4, which was the left-hand side, giving us 12 3/4. Thank you.